Hi, Amp.
Hey teacher, how are you?
I'm tired.
Why?
I went for a long walk today.
It's the weather is still hot.
Yes, the weather's still hot. I didn't want to go out for a walk.
It's not
There's
hot outside?
no buses. I had to walk about 10 kilometers.
Hmm.
Ooh.
Yeah. Edson, welcome. I can hear you speaking now. That's awesome. Couldn't hear you. Your microphone wasn't working.
Oh, now you can hear me?
Oh, like glass breaking.
Hmm?
Yeah, like glass breaking.
Okay.
So how are you two today? Did you both have a good day?
Yes, yes. It's really
Yes.
funny.
Good. Well, we're going to have fun tonight because it's 20 questions. You know what that means, don't you?
No.
You don't. Okay. Well, let me ask you,
No.
Amp, what would you like the first item to be that we play 20 questions with?
What?
Well, if we're going to play
Um,
20 questions, what item would you like?
something that an object.
Okay. How about geographical objects?
Graphical object.
Yeah, to do with geography.
Geography.
Yeah,
It could
we
be.
can do geography. I might have to turn my light on here soon because the sun's going to set soon. You'll know when it's setting because it'll get very dark here, very, very dark. You won't be able to see me. All right, Shan just joined us. Hello, Shan.
Hi, Simon. How are you?
I'm good. Shan, are you from Vietnam?
No, not exactly. I'm from India,
I was
and
quite a ways off.
yeah, so,
What part of India?
basically it's eastern part of India.
Okay.
Kolkata, Calcutta. Have you heard about
I've
that?
heard. Yes. Now, that's near the ocean, right?
Yeah, it's near to ocean.
Excellent. Well, I'm from a place called Toronto. You've probably heard of that.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
aware of that.
Excellent.
But actually, I came to US a few months ago. It's been almost 2.5 months.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and get class started, guys, because we've only got 55 minutes of fun left.
Okay.
So hold on a minute here. I have the thing. So we're going to focus on geography. Okay, now let's see what the dictionary defines geography as, because we all look at it differently. The dictionary says nothing, because I spelt it wrong. It's the study of physical features. Now this definition says the features of the Earth and its atmosphere and of human activity. Okay, well, as far as I'm concerned, that's not exactly true because there's exoplanet geography. There's the geography of Mars.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't believe that geography is just about Earth. All right? So when I say that, that should be a hint, because I don't always stick to the planet. So here's how we play this game. You get to ask questions. They must be questions with a yes or a no answer. Okay? I like that, Amp. Could you read that for me, please?
Geography is the study of the systems and processes involved in the world's weather, mountains, seas, lakes, etc., and of the ways in which countries and people organize life within an area.
Excellent. Now, of course, that's still referring to Earth, right? Because we're talking about countries. And the last time I checked, there aren't any countries on Mars. And it's certainly fine to talk about the geography of Mars or the geography of Titan because we're talking about physical features of a body, like a planet, like Earth. So if you look at this link, for example, it's a wiki link to the geography of Mars. So let's get back to game. You each get a question. It must be a yes or no type question. You must listen to the answers and you must listen to the questions. I am not going to type a thing. However, I recommend that you guys type in the group chat what you hear. If you don't, you're not going to do very well. So I'm going to start with Amp. Go ahead, please.
Is it on the Earth?
Yes, it is. Good question. Edson.
Let's see. Give me a hint, please.
Yes. All right, I'm going to have to skip you, Edson. These are quick questions. If you can't think of one, I'll skip you and go on to the next. So,
Okay.
all right, Shan.
Is it in US?
No, it is not in the U.S. Good question, though. Amp.
Does it contain water?
Does it contain water within its structure, or does it contain water on its surface? Or, yeah, it would contain water. Edson.
It contains land.
When you refer to land, that would include soil or rock, and yes, it would include land.
It's like Sarno is a rock.
I can't answer that. That's your second question. Shan.
Okay.
Is it color of blue? Any shades of blue?
No, it doesn't have any. I don't think it has any blue. Amp.
Is it flat?
Is it flat?
Mm-hmm.
No, it is not flat.
Let's see. It contains air.
No, it doesn't contain air. Shan.
Is it bigger than mountain?
Sorry, is it?
Is it bigger than mountain?
No, it is not bigger than a mountain. Amp.
That is how can I explain? An geographic accident. That,
Well,
that it,
isn't
that is-
everything?
no, that you can climb it on it.
I couldn't, but some people could. So it is something you could climb. Edson.
Can you use the skateboard?
No, but that would be funny to watch somebody do it. Shan.
Is it easy to go there?
Well, that depends on where you're from. For me, no. Amp, no. Edson, no. Shan, maybe a little easier. Amp.
The question was if you can go there. That was a Shan
Is it
question.
easy to go there?
It's easy to go there. Um, do you go there by get fun, to have fun?
Okay, look, most of us here, we probably wouldn't go there to have fun. So, to some select group of people, maybe it's fun. But no, I wouldn't say fun is the reason. Edson.
Can you walk on it?
Yeah, you could walk on it. Shan.
Is it in Asia?
Yes, it's in Asia.
Okay.
Good question. Amp.
Does it cross many countries?
Does it cross many countries? I think technically it is in one. Yeah, I'm going to say that it kind of is in two. Let's go with it's in two.
Okay.
Edson.
Can you play on it? With
Sure.
friends, I don't know.
Yeah, you could play on it. Edson. Or sorry, Shan.
It's remain same throughout the season.
No.
Okay.
Amp.
Could you repeat your question?
Is it,
No.
my question was: is it remain same throughout the season? Different season.
Seasons.
Did you write in the chat box?
Seasons.
Winter, summer.
Yeah.
I think what she's saying is Amp is doing all the writing, and you guys need to not be lazy and do some writing as well.
Sure. I do.
Just saying, you know. I'm not saying you have to do it. I'm just saying. All right, Amp.
Does the man have build this?
Let's go with no.
No.
Edson.
Are there rockets or yes, rockets.
Rockets?
Yeah.
There are no
It's made
rockets.
from rockets? No.
Okay, you mean rocks, not
Stones.
rockets. Rockets are different.
Yeah. No.
Go into space,
No,
right?
no.
Rocks
Okay.
hit
Yeah.
head hurt. So, yes, it's made of rocks.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, man, gotta stay awake.
Is it part of the mountain?
Is it part of the mountain? Well, see, that's tough because you haven't asked, is it a mountain? So, is it part of the mountain? No, it is not part of the mountain.
Okay.
Amp.
It's a tropical weather.
Again, please.
It is a tropical weather around this area.
Is it? Because it didn't sound like a question. It sounded like a statement. So you're telling me, is there tropical weather around it? I would say yes, there is some tropical weather around it. Edson.
Can I guess or no? Not yet.
Yes. Shan. See, Edson, that was a yes or no question. So that's what happens when you don't think about your yes or no question. So yes, you can ask a question, but you'll have to wait to your next turn. Shan.
Is it visible from moon?
I don't know. I've never been to the moon.
Okay.
I can't imagine it is, because you see how small the moon is. The Earth isn't that much bigger from that distance, so I would doubt it.
Okay.
Amp.
Oops. What else?
Trust me, there's lots more.
Yes, I know, but it's in the central part of Asia.
All right, let me go check my geography to see whereabouts it is. You guys are making me work hard now. All right, so let's zoom out very far. Yeah, I would go with no. Definitely not center. I should have known that just from if I had thought of it, but yeah, definitely not. Edson.
It's a kind. No. It's a kind of monument.
Is it a monument? No.
Yeah.
Shan.
Is it natural?
Yeah, it's very natural. Good question. But then again, we're talking geography, so everything in geography would be natural, wouldn't it? Amp.
Is at the north of Asia.
Definitely not the north. I guess that kind of limits it a bit now. Edson.
Are the people visit the place?
Well, we've already answered that question, haven't we?
Okay. Yeah.
See, if you guys aren't watching what's being written down, and if you're not writing stuff down, you're going to repeat questions.
Yeah.
Shan. Okay, Amp. Back to you.
Is it at the south of Asia?
Gee, there's only east and west left, so yeah, it's south. But Asia's pretty big, so good luck. Edson.
Is it located in Japan?
Did you say Japan?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not. Shan.
Is that Mount Everest?
Yes. How did you go from all those questions to right to Mount Everest? That's brilliant.
But you told me that it's not a part of a mountain. Like.
No, it isn't. Mount Everest is not part of a mountain. It is a mountain.
Okay.
You see? So rock is part of it, but it's like me. Can I be part of myself? Well, no, I am myself. I am the whole entity.
Okay.
When you give me those questions, it's tough to answer because, you know, I can't really answer it the way I want to without giving too much away. So it's not part of a mountain. It is a mountain. Now, if you said, is it part of a mountain range, then I can say yes.
Okay. So my question, ideal question would be, is it a part of Himalaya? So then it would be a yes. Okay.
Yeah, but I would probably start with mountain range because you're starting off with things that are vague. The best way to play this game is not guess what it is, but eliminate it eliminate what it can't be.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? It's like when we hire somebody. We don't try to find the best person. We try to eliminate the worst people for the job. And when we get down to a certain level, then we focus on who's the best. All right?
Yeah.
So that's the key when we have a lot of choices, to eliminate what doesn't fit. All right, well, I'm not going to use a plastic bag for the next one, so I got to put that down. And it's geography.
Geography again.
Oh, I've got something good. I got to learn how to spell it first. Yeah, it's bad when I don't know how to spell it. Oh, this is awesome. You guys, it might take all class to get this one.
You're
Now, to be fair,
complicated.
to be fair, this is an advanced class, so it gets to be difficult. But knowing that it's going to be difficult, relax. This will take some time. Some of you may not have even have heard about it. But again, we're dealing with geography. So if you are into geography, this would be something I'm sure you would have heard about. It's a significant feature. But it's still going to be hard.
Who knows if we know? Maybe I don't know even in my language. So I am never going to guess.
Well, and that's the approach I would take. Hey, we're never going to guess it. Let's have fun. Okay? But I want you to use that technique. Let's eliminate what it can't be. And then what's left is much easier. So don't try to guess what it is. Try to guess what it isn't. All right, Shan, great job. You got it right the first round. You get to start us off in the second round.
Is it in Earth?
Is it where?
Is it in Earth? Part of Earth?
I don't know where that is. Type it, please. Is it part of Earth?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let me hear you say Earth.
Or Earth.
Like this. Earth.
Earth.
No,
Earth.
not R. Like this.
Oh, okay. Earth.
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 You're still a bit off, but you got to get that
Okay.
like her.
Oh,
All right. Well, let's go ahead with your question because it isn't a pronunciation class. Go
Is it
ahead.
not? What was the question? The answer, yes?
Oh, sorry. Yes. Amp.
Does it have water?
Oh, yes. Definitely. Edson.
Are there trees?
No. You'll understand why that's funny when we know what it is. No trees. That's two great questions already. Shan.
Can we see this in USA?
No. Yeah, I'm not US centric. I really, my stuff is all over the place.
Okay.
Amp.
Is it an island?
No. Edson.
Are there
No.
animals?
No animals. Shan.
Is it associated with the mountain?
Huh. Is it associated with a mountain?
Yeah.
You would not associate it with a mountain. Edson or Amp would not associate it with a mountain. But if you looked at it, if you could see it on a map,
Mm-hmm.
you would say, wow, it kind of looks like a mountain.
Okay.
But it's not a mountain. Even in its name, it doesn't say mountain. But I think that's because of where it is.
Okay.
Next, please.
Is it a valley?
Ooh, we're getting closer. Excellent, excellent question. Edson.
Can you swim?
But you didn't say the answer.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I did. Yes. Well, it's like a valley, but it doesn't use the word valley.
Okay.
But it's very much like a valley. Edson.
Can you swim?
Can I
Can you swim?
type, please? Swim?
Is this? Yes, yes.
Can I swim in it? You couldn't swim in it. No, it would be your certain doom if you tried. That question might come back to haunt me, but I have to say no, you can't swim there. Shan?
What is the color of it?
Yes. Amp?
It is.
I think we are near.
You guys learn, if you're going to give me a question that's not a yes or no answer, I'll give you a yes or a no. You just have to figure out. All right, Amp, go ahead.
Is it a hill?
Well, you asked me if it's a valley, so why would you now ask if it's a hill?
Yeah, you said that it's not the name that you use.
No, I said the name. It's like a valley, but that's not the word we would use. Okay? So there could be words synonymous with a valley, but valley is not the word used. Doesn't make it a hill, though. Hill is opposite to a valley. It's not similar.
Okay.
Because, like, think of it here. This is a hill. This is a valley. It's like a sine curve, right? They are opposites of each other. Edson.
Is there vegetation?
I doubt it. No, let's say no. It couldn't be. Shan.
Is it in Antarctica?
No, it is not in Antarctica, but nice geography question. I appreciated it. Amp.
Do people can go there?
Can people go there? I will say, qualify my answer yes by saying very few people can go there. And I'll qualify it even further to say very few have even gone there. Edson.
Is it located in Europe?
No.
No.
Shen.
Is it located in Africa?
No. Sorry.
What
Amp.
else?
Is it in Canada?
Yeah, you guys know it from Canada. Good guess, but no. Edson.
Is it located in Asia?
Well, there's not much left, is there? So I'll go ahead and say no. www.no.com. Shen.
Is it located in Australian subcontinent?
Oh, I like that subcontinent word. Excellent. No.
Okay. What else left?
Is it in America?
That would be the second time that question is asked, and this time I'm going to go ahead and say no.
America? In the continent? No?
Well, there's two Americas. Let's go no with each one. No and no.
Okay.
www.no.com. All right. Edson.
Is it an old place? An old place?
Yeah, it's very old. Very, 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 very old. Shen.
Does it
Yes.
does it look like a white color? It's made of white color.
I'm sure if you shone some light on it, it might appear whitish, grayish.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Maybe, yeah. Amp? Yeah.
I am. It's the big valley. There is water near, but there is no life there. People don't want to go there. And does it have a waterfall near?
No, it doesn't have any waterfall. Edson.
is pretty far from civilization?
Oh, well, I was going to say yes, and I think I'll qualify that by saying yes, it is. It is. Yeah, yeah, I would say so. Shen.
Does it a desert?
Ooh. Well, usually when we say desert, it's usually the absence of precipitation. And at this location, precipitation is impossible.
Okay.
So therefore, the word desert does not apply.
Okay.
Amp.
Is it a kind of forest?
It is not a kind of forest. Edson.
It's near the beach, some beach.
Is it? What do you qualify as near? Like a kilometer?
Like kilometer. Like kilometer.
Yeah, it's nowhere near a beach. Next.
Okay.
I told you it would be hard, but it really isn't that hard if you start to eliminate some more options. But you started going for the continents, and I think you got most of them. Stuff like that. Think big. Eliminate big things first. Shen?
I think I'll pass.
Okay, excellent. Amp.
It's not in Asia, it's not in Australia, it's not in Europe, it's not in America, even it's not in Europe. What part of the earth it is?
No.
Yeah, no.
Good answer.
Is it on the ocean?
No, is it in the ocean?
In the ocean.
Okay.
Yes, yes, it is. Okay, let's pause for a minute there. Let's just think about that. This one question has gotten you very close. It has got you thinking very differently. So for that, I say, well done. Good question. Edson.
Are there ices over the place?
Is there ice covering it?
Yeah.
No, no ice. Shan. Shan, sorry.
Yep. Is it under Pacific Ocean?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Nice question. Amp.
Is it in the Pacific?
Yeah.
Really? Good. All right, so he answered the question for you.
Yeah.
No, you said yes.
I didn't answer. Amp asked the question, and you said yep.
The Pacific Ocean, but it's not an island.
Well, hold on. I didn't say it was in the Pacific Ocean. I didn't answer that question.
Okay, I
But
didn't.
my question was the same. Like, is it under the Pacific Ocean?
Oh, okay. So here's what I heard you say. Is it in a specific ocean? Not Pacific. I heard specific.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to go. Let's go ahead with yours being a specific ocean, meaning it's in a ocean. Amp went ahead and asked a named ocean, like a proper name.
Okay.
Right? I thought you were referring to a common name. So give me a second
Pacific
here. Well, no, because
no.
well,
The
do you
answer is no.
if you give me a chance, I'll answer.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in all the oceans, we have things like the Bering Sea or the Sea of Bengal or the Arabian Sea. But for the purposes of this, when we think of the ocean, the Arabian Sea is part of the Indian Ocean. The Sea of China is part of the Pacific Ocean. So I will go ahead and say, yes, it is part of the Pacific Ocean. Now, even though Anna has just joined us, that should really help even though we've been playing this round for about 12 minutes, it's in the ocean. And Anna, if you look at the group chat, you'll see all the questions that have been asked. So would you like to go ahead and hazard a guess at what it is? Do you want to take a chance?
Teacher, sorry. I have no idea.
Okay. Well,
I'm late because of my connection. Sorry.
I had a problem today too, starting same as yesterday. But glad you're here. Follow along, and I'll ask you again next round. Edson.
Can you go by boat? Big boat to the place?
Can you go by boat to the place? No, you can't go by boat to get there.
No.
No. Shan.
I'll pass it.
Amp.
I want, let me know the name.
Yeah, well, good luck. I'm not going to give you the name.
It says, is there a reef there?
No, not here. There's no reef. Anna.
Oh my gosh, it's so difficult.
Well, it's meant to be.
Okay, something in the Pacific Ocean. I'm not good at geography.
No, and the question was asked, is it in as opposed to on? And you can't take a boat to something that is in. Hint. All right, well, Anna, we can skip you one more turn and go to Edson if you like.
Are there people living there?
No, definitely. No. Remember that part about I said where very few people have been there? Yeah. No, definitely not living there. Wouldn't be good. No, couldn't do it. Right. Shan. Hello, sir. Shan?
Yeah.
Any time now.
Okay. I think I'll pass.
Amp.
Is it located closest to the American continent?
No. I like that question. There you go. Now you're eliminating. You're trying to find where it is. You don't know what it is, but you're trying to find where it is by saying, is it close to this? So no. Excellent question. Anna.
Is it something that moves?
I'm going to say no, it does not move. But if we think of it over many, many, many years, there is some movement. But if you were to see it, you wouldn't think it's moving. Edson.
Is it near Japan?
Oh, yes, it is. It's, well, hold on. When you say near, do you mean like a kilometer or would you mean like 100 kilometers?
Oh, I mean like 100 kilometers.
Yeah, it's pretty near. It's closer to, it's as close to Japan as any other country in that area. So yeah, good question. Shan.
I'll pass.
No. You can't pass 4 times in a row.
Okay. Is that bigger than Japan, size-wise?
Good question. I like it. See, that's a good question. Why are you being silent? Is it bigger than Japan? I would say it's almost as big as Japan.
Okay.
Okay? I didn't pick something really tiny here. Good one. Amp.
I need a map.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys can use Google if you like. Get a map and this might be over with soon.
Yes.
So it's still your turn because you gave me a statement, not a question. I can't believe you didn't have a map out already. Dun, 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 dun,
What is
dun, dun.
this?
Anytime. Hello? Question?
Yeah, is
Do I have to get out some theme music? Okay, I'm gonna get
it's
some
not
theme
it's
music now.
not an island.
Okay.
Well, that's a statement. Are you turning? Is that a question?
No, you already said that it's not an island.
Okay.
How do you I don't know what to ask. Something.
Okay.
Okay.
It is a sea.
It is not a sea. Remember the other what I said earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anna.
Teacher, I don't know geography.
Apparently neither does anybody else here. You want to try?
Is it a continent?
No, we've already covered that. It's not a continent. Edson.
Is it a desert?
I already answered that question.
Oh.
Shen.
Is it Mariana's Trench?
Sorry, did you
Right.
see Marianne Trench?
Trench?
Marianne?
Yeah. Mariana Trench.
Marianas Trench. Is it the Marianas Trench? Yes, it is.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
It's the deepest part of the ocean, so nobody can really go there. You can't swim there, you'd be dead. It's about 7 kilometers down, so good luck trying to free dive to get there. Scuba won't work. You can't take a boat. Like, yes, you can take a boat there, but you have to sink it first. Okay? It's not a desert because it doesn't rain or snow or anything because it's at the bottom of the ocean. Does it move? Very, very slowly over eons it moves because it's where the tectonic plate, the Pacific plate, dips down under the Asian plate, right? I told you it was going to be difficult, but look at that. You got it, guys. Took you 21 minutes, but you got it. So remember what I said at the beginning. Sometimes you got to, instead of trying to find something, you need to focus on what it can't be. Eliminate what doesn't fit. Think broad. Anna doesn't know much about geography, but the very first thing she asked was, is it a continent? Well, that automatically eliminates all of them at once. It saves 5 questions, right? Is it on the Earth? Boom, you got it. It's on the Earth, so you know to locate on the Earth. So is it on land? Is it in the water? Is it in the water? Yes. Is it an ocean? Yes, right? So that's the key. Because, look, some of this stuff I couldn't guess myself. I'd be like Shen, I'd be going pass, pass, pass. So it's always easier to try and eliminate. So with 15 minutes left, I'm going to go for something a little easier.
Can I guess?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Is it a kind of hurricane?
It's not a hurricane, no.
No.
Sorry.
Oh.
Okay, remember what I said about trying to
Okay.
eliminate? Let's go with a common. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on. This is going to be fun. Amp, go ahead, please. Or sorry, Shan, you got it right. Go ahead.
Is it in Earth?
Earth.
Earth.
No, it is not on the Earth. Look at this guy. He already asked a great question. You've eliminated, these guys could be asking planet or rivers and mountains and rocks and pebbles, tiny little fish, plants, ferns, and little fluffy animals. And you just eliminated all that with one question. Brilliant. Amp.
Is it a planet?
No. Anna.
Is it oh my gosh, a star?
No, it isn't a star, but I like that. Edson.
Is there air?
No. There is no atmosphere, which is what air is,
Atmosphere.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Shen.
Is it in our universe?
Well, Shen, I don't know any other universes,
Okay.
right? So, typically speaking, we are only aware of one universe, although theoretically, there are other universes, but we are not aware of them.
Okay.
Amp.
Is it a galaxy?
No. Anna.
Is it a black hole?
No. Edson.
Is it a planet?
No.
Uh-oh.
Usama. Okay, Shen.
Is it in our solar system?
Yes. Now, when you say solar system, we're talking about it can go. The solar system goes all the way from the star out to the Oort cloud, so it's pretty big. Amp.
So is that yes or no?
Yes, it is in our solar system. Amp.
Is it a dwarf planet?
Ooh, look at you getting fancy with your astronomical terms. Is it a dwarf planet? No.
No.
Because if I had said yes, you would have said, "Oh, it's Pluto! It's Pluto!" Uh-huh. All right, Anna. Yeah, it's not Pluto.
Is it a satellite?
Okay, define satellite.
Oh my gosh. A celestial
Man-made
body
or
that
natural?
is natural.
Natural. It is a natural
Okay.
satellite.
Is it okay? The moon?
Well, you know you only get one question, right?
All right.
What was the question?
But it is the moon. So this is important, guys, because unfortunately people are forgetting what words mean. When I was young, the term satellite referred to natural moons. Okay, what our moon is, or Europa, Titan. These were all referred to as satellites, what we call natural satellites. However, we've been blasting so many objects into space around the planet that everybody seems to use the term satellite to mean artificial, human-made. That's why I asked that question. Even astrologists are now generally referring to the term as moons because of the confusion. So that's why I asked Anna, what do you mean, artificial satellite or natural satellite? Because it's still a valid definition. Oh, brilliant! You got it! I told you it wouldn't be so hard. Okay. Anna, you get to start first, so I've already got my next item. Go ahead, Anna.
Is it an object?
Yes, it is. Oh, and we're dealing with geographical stuff today, Anna. Edson.
Is it on Earth?
Is it on Earth? No. It's not on Earth. Usama.
On space?
It is not in space. No. Well, yes, technically it is in space. Yes, of course it is. Sorry. Shen.
Pass.
Yes, sorry. I love that, Anna. It is not a pass, no. Amp.
Again, is it a planet?
Yes, it is. Anna.
Is it near the sun?
Yeah, it's pretty close. Pretty close to the sun. Or star. Edson.
Is it between Earth and Neptune?
No, it is not between Earth and Neptune. Usama.
The moon.
It is not the moon. Close though. Shen.
Is it a star?
No, it is not a star. Because if it was a star, it couldn't be close to the sun, could it? Unless it was the sun. Amp.
Is it Mercurio?
No, it is not Mercury. I'll give you guys a hint. They have found life on it. Anna.
Is it Venus?
No, it's not Venus.
Mars.
Anna, one question. Edson.
Is it Mars?
Congratulations, but no, it's not. Come up with your own questions. Don't copy. Usama.
Earth.
Yes, it is the Earth. Excellent. That was it. It's the Earth. Now, somebody asked the question, is it on Earth? And what would be the answer? Why would I say no? Anybody? Why would I say no? I was asked the question, is it on Earth? Why would I say no?
Because it's the Earth
It's not
itself.
in the surface. It's in.
Yeah.
Okay. The Earth cannot be in itself. Just like when we were talking about Everest, right?
Yes.
A mountain, it cannot be part of a mountain. It is the mountain.
That's right.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
why some of these are tricky questions. You've almost got to look at how I react sometimes because I kind of give a bit away. It is not in the Earth. It is the Earth. Well done. No, and what I'm trying to do is, it's not that I'm trying to be difficult, it's just that some students have trouble with prepositions, so I have to focus on the prepositions. That's one. I don't do grammar in this class, but I'm very careful as to what I say, because the difference between in and on is huge. The Marianas Trench, for example, is in the ocean, but it's on the surface of the Earth. Water covers, but we consider this the surface of the planet. It's the crust. Okay? All right, let me take a quick look and see what classes I have. I haven't booked the weekend yet, but I do have a class tomorrow. Does anybody know what class I have tomorrow?
What would be?
No, I don't think it's that. Let's see. Oh, it's a very serious class tomorrow.
20 questions.
20 questions, yes, the same style of class again. It's Friday, it's got to be fun, guys. So that's tomorrow. I have four seats available.
Okay. What time?
Whenever you like me to have it. No, here, let me give you the
2
link.
hours before than today.
Yes, but what I want to get you guys in the habit of doing is, if you want to know what time classes are, if you go to the main page, you can actually take a look and you can say, show me all the classes by a given teacher. Right, so that's a good thing
No,
to
we
do.
cannot do that nowadays. I don't know what happened.
Oh, those buggers got
It's
rid
not
of it?
available. The feature is not available these days.
Oh, those.
Yeah.
Well, I do admit that after the last update, it's been a little difficult. Like the last 2 days, I've been in class late because I click broadcast and it just spins. It doesn't go anywhere. So I've had some trouble there. Now, I got to give you guys credit, because I wasn't kidding when I said this can be very difficult to do. There's been a few classes where I've let you guys lead, and I'm scratching my head going, I don't know what this is. And I know you can feel lost at times, but the key here is not so much to get it right. It's to, one, have fun, learn, right? So it helps you with your vocabulary. And you can use Google in this class, so It helps you looking at maps. So this was very simple. Once you were able to realize it's in the ocean, it's close to Japan, and we're talking about geological features, if you open up a map and you look at that part of the world, there isn't too much that is really significant. The Marianas Trench is one of those things. Okay? So I might make things a little difficult, but it's not that they're hard. It's just choosing the right questions to eliminate everything else. Like I could pick a salt shaker, a tissue box or Kleenex box. But how would you get there? Today what I did is I started off by saying we're going to focus on geography and non-terrestrial geography. It could be extraterrestrial geography or it could be terrestrial geography, but I wasn't limiting it to the Earth. Some definitions say, well, geography, it has to be related to things within the planet. Well, it doesn't. We have geography on Mars. We have geography on Titan. It's a very different kind of geography, even though these are both rocky planets. Any questions, guys? Well, if you don't have any questions, I don't have enough time to start another one. We've only got about 2 minutes left, so I'll let you guys go. You've got no questions.
Was pretty difficult.
Well, it's an advanced class, and it's meant to be difficult. Usually I start off with something relatively simple and get progressively hard. I just went from something relatively simple to very hard and thought we could have fun with it. But please come again tomorrow night. We'll make it fun. It's Friday, so I won't make it too hard. I'll make it a little bit silly. But thank you, each and every one, if you're coming. Amp, it's good to see you. Anna, glad you did make it in. And enjoy your sense of humor.
Yeah.
No? All of you guys. It's a lot of fun. So we'll see you tomorrow night.
See
Thank
ya,
you.
take care.
Yeah, see you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye,
You're
guys.
welcome.
Bye, guys.
See you.